Hi, boys and girls. Page 7 is all about weather and climate. So you are going to look at the top. Weather is the current outdoor conditions. It is the current condition of the atmosphere in a place. Weather changes constantly. So below that, it says one specific place on Earth where my animal is found. So you're going to need to do some research to find this out. I looked yesterday and I found all these places that I colored in on my map. I know that my animal is in freshwater and oceans. So I'm going to need to find one place. Now, this isn't very helpful because it doesn't have any names. So I might need to go to Google Maps. I'm going there now. No thanks. And I noticed that on my map that I drew yesterday, come on. Oh boy, let me refresh. On my map yesterday, there was this very tip of South America that was red. And so I think if I zoom in there, I should be able to find something. Okay, so I see this city right here, Natal, and I'm going to focus on that, okay? I could have done any of these cities. I could have done this one. I could have done Cabedelo. I could have done Paipa Beach. Any of those would have worked because they would have been part of what I identified yesterday as where my bull shark could be found. But I'm going to do Natal just because that one was what I saw first. So I will write it on my page. I already did that. You can see I did that right here. And now I need to go look at how the weather is in that area. So use Google search to search weather in your chosen place. Use the results to complete the weather chart below. So what I did was this. I went to Chrome, added a tab, and I said weather in Natal, Brazil. Then I just clicked go. You can see it brought up the weather. I'm only doing the next 4 days. So I chose Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So I only did one for you. So you can see Tuesday it's partially cloudy, so the sun and the clouds. The high, that means like the hottest it will get is 86 degrees. The lowest it will get is 75 degrees. So that's still pretty hot. And I need to also know the precipitation. So I will kind of come over here and on the far right, it will tell me the precipitation on Tuesday. I might want to click on Tuesday. So it says precipitation 20. So you can see that on my notability for day 1, I put the date. So that would be 5/25 today. I drew the weather symbol. Here's my sun with the clouds. My high was 86 degrees. My low was 75 degrees. And the precipitation was 20. If I want to do the next day, which I should do all 4 days, I will then click on Wednesday and I will do the same thing. Looks like it's partially cloudy again, so I'll draw the same symbol. The high is 85. This time the low is 74. And I will zoom over here for the precipitation. Oh, the precipitation is 20 again. So that part stays the same. I will do it for Thursday and I will do it for Friday. So you're noticing that most of these are very similar. Yours might be similar and they might be different. So I will fill in day 1, 2, 3, and 4 with all of that weather information. Then I will move on to climate. Climate is the average weather conditions for a region over or year after year. It's the weather trends over long periods of time. So use the location you used above, so Natal for me, and research the climate of that location. Describe the climate in the sticky note below. Kiddle is a good website to try. You could also use Google. So what I did is I went to Chrome and I looked up climate in Natal and I found this website. I had to click on it and I kind of had to skim and scan until I went down here and I saw the words climate. It said it's blessed with a wet and dry tropical climate marked by steady high temperatures throughout the year with a dominant dry season. The months where the days are warmest are January, February, March. On average, January has the warmest days, making it the best months to go visit. On average, July is the coolest month with temperatures of 25 degrees. Those are in Celsius. So on mine, I went and I wrote a little information, just a few sentences. I said Natal, Brazil has a tropical climate. That means there are times with intense heat, but also times it is very wet. For most of the year, the temperatures are extremely hot. The hottest part of the year is in January through March, and the coldest part of the year is in July, but even then, it's still warm. So today you are researching the weather and climate in one specific place that your animal can be found. So today is a big day for research. You're going to have to do a lot of investigating. You've got this. Have fun.